a couple minutes before 5 o'clock here. We got a 2-hour drive ahead of us this morning. We're heading up to the plant where I've been working, and I'm going to try and take my GoPro in there and show you what I've been up to. I'm building some stainless steel desks and bookshelves and other stuff for their control room, and should be an interesting build here. I think I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys along and let you see what I'm up to. Alright, so we made it here. I got to drop by one of the other facilities on this location and drop off my little Ninja Stars here. So I'm gonna go do that real quick, and then we'll get over to where I'm actually working.